First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:43 this morning, and this is the rain that fell yesterday. Now, anywhere where you see that lightest shade showing up, that's at least 1/10 of an inch of rain. So that means there could be some spots perhaps picked up a few drops of rain, or maybe 1/100th of an inch in the lower valley in Starr County. But you could see that the vast majority really missed out. But it was another story in Hidalgo County where there was some pretty good soaking rain for a time. The big winner was actually way up in northern Hidalgo County. Close to 2 inches of rain came down over the more populated part of southern Hidalgo County. Actually, you could kind of draw a line from Elsa on through the north side of McAllen, south side of Edinburg, on towards Alton, where about 3/4 of an inch or an inch of rain came down, where thunderstorms hung out for a good portion of the time. And then also about 1.25 inches around the Abram area, just south of Perrysville. Some pretty good rains, but I think it's going to be more of a struggle to see that kind of rain today. As we look at the Gulf, there's not as much popping up, and that's kind of a sign that there won't be as active of a sea breeze today. There will be somewhat of a sea breeze, but not as many showers and storms. I think this high pressure area in the Gulf is still off to our east, but it's getting a little bit stronger, and that's kind of keeping a little bit more of a damper on the Gulf. But with that southeasterly flow, I can't rule out a few showers and storms. And this is how I think the rain chance is going to play out, not just for today, but through Saturday, because I think we have the possibility of seeing a few showers and storms each day, today through Saturday, but each day only about a 10% chance of rain. And that 10% chance of rain is really in an area from Brownsville on through Harlingen, Weslaco, Raymondville, and up into far northern Hidalgo County. Actually, right along the coast, just a 5% chance. Usually the sea breeze sets up right in here near the Harlingen area, but then also usually cuts off right around McAllen and Farr, so just a 5% chance on up to San Ysidro. And if you live out in western Starr County, I think it's just about impossible to get the sea breeze out there, especially when it's weak like this. When it's a little more stronger sea breeze, you can see stuff drift out there. But over the next few days, I just don't think it's going to be strong enough. I think western Starr County is going to stay completely dry. Highs are going to be hotter today with more sun and less rain. That's going to lead to pretty typical high temperatures for this time of year, averaging around 95. Much of the day will be partly cloudy. Again, a few showers and storms, but don't be surprised if you don't see rain, because I think there are going to be lots of people that miss out. And a typical breeze for this time of year, around 10 to 15 miles per hour. If you're lucky enough to be going out to the island today, I think the high at South Padre is going to be around 90. Again, that was, as I showed you, about a 5% chance of catching a shower or a thunderstorm. Much of the day dry, though, and it looks like with the winds kind of typical for this time of year, good swimming and boating conditions, no worries about any rip currents. Tonight, we're looking at mostly clear skies. Lows will reach around 75. It's a normal low temperature for this time of year. And really, it's going to be kind of a repeat over the next 4 days with highs in the mid-90s, a 10% chance of rain, and partly cloudy skies. By Sunday, I think the rain chance goes away completely. That's why we're calling for mostly sunny skies. I will say it looks like things are going to get quite breezy from Saturday through Monday. I think frequent gusts around 20 to 25 miles per hour, just kind of a lighter breeze Wednesday through Friday. By the way, with that additional sun coming in, the rain chance going away, I do think our high temperatures will climb back into the upper 90s and getting awfully close to the triple digit.